Can you replace the batteries on your wireless rain sensor? I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. Now, we got this question yesterday from Mike. Mike has an Irritrol wireless rain sensor. He asked us, can I replace the batteries, and how do I replace the batteries? So what we have for you today is the Irritrol RS1000 rain sensor. And before I show you how to replace the batteries, you can replace the batteries in this sensor, but not all rain sensors have the option to replace the batteries. Some rain sensors have batteries that are not replaceable, but are designed to last a long time. So take the Hunter wireless rain click. That particular rain sensor has a 10-year battery life. So if you have found this video while searching for how to replace the batteries on your Hunter wireless rain sensor, it may not be possible, and you might have another issue going on. So what we'll do is we'll make another video addressing that sensor and perhaps some others, but today it is how to replace the batteries on your Irritrol wireless rain sensor. So let's get right into it because it is easy to do. Irritrol literally couldn't make it any easier. There is sort of a compression clip on this very side of the rain sensor right here, and you can just simply unclick it like that and then pull out the guts on this guy. And you know what I'll do? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it now that I have it off. You can see that it takes a CR2032 battery, 2 of them, quantity 2. And these can be found at, any grocery store, any pharmacy, drugstore. It's a very common, what you might call watch battery. So you can get them anywhere. Couldn't be any easier. There's a little cap that you pull off that exposes the batteries. And then you just simply, grab a key here, then you just simply slide them out like this. Well, I guess it's not as easy as I thought to slide them out. Maybe you need a little screw. There we go. So they come out like that. Battery number 1, battery number 2. Looks like Irritrol uses the Panasonic battery, but it doesn't matter the brand. It just simply uses the model 2032. And then let's put the little antenna cable. Actually, we don't put that through there. It goes on like that. And what we'll do is we'll slide. Oh, here, we got to put the case back on. This guy. Cover it back up. Slide it back in carefully. Like that. And then you'll clip the casing back on. Guess you do put that through like this, like that. Boom, all back together. You can replace the batteries in just a couple minutes. The hardest part's gonna be getting on that ladder, climbing up to your gutter, and not falling off. So I hope that helps. Feel free to contact us or drop a comment down below if there was anything we didn't answer. Sometimes these get unpaired, so let me just mention that. I'll probably make another video, but sometimes the pairing is disconnected, so it might be that you have to repair your rain sensor with the receiver. And if you've purchased a new sensor, then you will definitely have to pair it, and there's instructions either online or you can contact us. We'll walk you through it. So hope that helps, and until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.